Nick, we've got a case.
What is it this time, Carrots? The sound of the city has been stolen. We'll solve it.
In Zootopia, mornings were usually loud. Trains whooshed, birds chirped, elephants laughed.
Hey, those are my breakfast crumbs. No way, I saw them first, but I was here before you. Finders keepers, share them. Share, these are mine. Fine, let's split them.
But one strange morning, Zootopia was quiet. Too quiet. Judy Hopps hopped out of bed and froze. No honking cars. No shouting vendors. Not even a single "rawr" from the zoo-themed cafe down the street. That's not right. At headquarters, Clawhauser sat at the front desk, wide-eyed.
I can't hear the pop music in my head. It's scary.
Nick Wilde leaned against the wall, ears twitching.
Kid, even my thoughts are echoing.
Chief Bogo stomped in.
Listen up! Something has stolen the city's sound! Find it now!
Judy and Nick exchanged a look.
Partners?
Judy smiled. Partners. The first clue. They started in Savanna Central, where Gazelle's giant concert stage stood silent. No music, no dancers. Judy spotted something glittering on the ground.
Nick, look.
What is it, Carrots?
This mark on the floor. It matches the clue.
It was a tiny silver bell. Nick frowned.
That's not just a bell. That's a soundkeeper bell.
Judy blinked.
A what?
All right, Carrots, listen up. This is how it works.
I'm all ears, Nick.
Okay, story time. Long ago, Zootopia used special bells to keep sound balanced.
Too much noise? Bell calms it.
Too quiet, bell wakes it up.
And now it's broken. Suddenly, they heard a faint tap, tap, tap. They followed the noise underground into the old tunnel district, a place most animals had forgotten. The Lonely Bat. Deep in the tunnels, they found a small bat named Echo sitting beside a giant glowing machine. Wires hummed softly. Bottles labeled laughter, footsteps, music, and voices lined the walls.
You took the city's sounds!
Echo flinched.
I didn't mean to hurt anyone!
Nick crouched down.
Then why do it, pal?
Echo's wings drooped.
I live down here alone.
Up above, everyone is loud, but no one hears me.
I just wanted some quiet. Just for a little while.
Judy's ears lowered.
But Zootopia needs its sounds. That's how everyone connects.
Echo sniffed.
I know, but now the machine won't turn off.
The machine sparked, sucking in the last bits of sound. Total silence. The race against silence. Nick shouted, but no sound came out. Judy realized something.
Nick, the bells sound balanced! The bells? What are you talking about, Carrots?
It's the key. We have to go.
We need a new one. We need your help!
Come on, we don't have much time.
Join us! We can fix this!
Let's go.
Ellie the elephant rang her trunk like a horn. Flash slowly, very slowly, tapped a rhythm. Gazelle's dancers stomped together. Clawhauser laughed his biggest laugh ever. All the sounds came together in one place. Judy held the broken bell and leapt high into the air.
Zootopia!
Sound rushed back like a wave.
Feel the rhythm, let it take control. Hearts are beating, use the night. It's so late, you sigh.
The city roared back to life. Echo covered his ears, then peeked out.
You don't have to be alone. You just have to speak up.
Or squeak. How about we make this a game? Winner gets first pick. Or we could just chirp about it. We're not picky.
Don't.
That night, Zootopia was louder than ever, and Judy Hopps, the little bunny with big ears, listened closely, knowing every sound meant someone belonged.